Hey, this is DJ Olojo with ASO Holdings. I'm just giving a shout out to the Fixed Notes community, and in particular, the Fixed Notes Mastermind. I'm a seasoned real estate investor. I've been investing in distressed real estate for over a decade. And over the last few years, I have learned about the non-performing note space and integrated some non-performing notes into my portfolio. However, I came across the mastermind earlier this year and it looked like a no-brainer to join me. And so I decided to join. And it's been a real boost to my business personally. I've done trades with people in the group. I've also had one-on-one conversations with other mastermind members to help me work through problems and situations. But more importantly than that, it's changed the way I viewed the secondary note space. Initially, I thought it was just going to be a vehicle for my IRA to make a little more money and get a better yield. But now, by being a part of this mastermind, I can definitely see it as another vertical in my overall distressed real estate business portfolio. So I'm appreciative to Rob. I'm appreciative to the entire community and the group. And it's a no-brainer for anybody who's looking to supercharge their note investing career, especially if you're looking at the second non-performing second space. It's a no-brainer to join.